So children, welcome back to the fifth part of chapter 2 polynomials. Alright, this is for both standard 9th and 10. Yeah, the next one that I am going to do is mostly for 10th standard. This type of question will not be asked for 9th standard children in your examination. But still, learn. Okay? Fine. Find zeros of quadratic polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. This time the quadratic polynomial is given and you have to find its zero. Alright. P of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. This is 1 given, or you can say by data. Alright, quadratic polynomial is given. Now you have to find the zeros. So what do you write? To find zeros of this polynomial p of x, let p of x be equal to 0. Now what is p of x? Yeah, it's quadratic polynomial. तो इसकी जगह पे लिख देता हूं x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Children, now factorization. इसी chapter में 9th standard children you are going to learn factorization. Of course, you have already learned this in 8th standard. Okay, I'll write directly, please. When I do those sums of factorization, you can see that. So you have two factors, x, okay, product is minus 5. So you can take pair of factor 1 into 5, middle sign minus, ये plus, alright, क्योंकि product negative है, alright, negative product है. This we'll see in detail. In fact, in revision we have already seen. Okay, so it is x plus 1 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. By Euclid's property, product of two bracket is 0. So दो bracket में से कोई भी एक तो 0 होना ही चाहिए. That's why we are writing R. दोनों भी 0 हो सकते हैं, लेकिन कम से कम एक तो 0 होना ही चाहिए. Then only the product of two bracket will be 0. चलिए. This gives me linear polynomial. X is equal to minus 5. Therefore, this also gives me linear polynomial. So x is equal to 5. So you got the two zeros. The two zeros of polynomial x square minus 4x minus 5 are minus 1 and 5. i.e. पहले जीरो को बोलते हैं अल्फा, that is minus 1, और दूसरे जीरो को बोलते हैं बीटा, that is 5. So alpha is negative 1 and beta is positive 5. Alright, so these are the zeros. अभी twist in the question, पूरा उल्टा, reverse. If zeros of polynomial, of quadratic polynomial, are minus 1 and 5, then which is that polynomial? Yes, x square minus 4x minus 5. Can we have more polynomials whose zero can be the same? यही zeros है, लेकिन इसके सिवाय क्या और polynomials मिल सकते हैं? The answer is yes. Not 2, not 3. You can get infinite. How? Let's see. So here it is. Let's see. I'll start reverse. ये है ना? X is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 5. पूरा reverse process. Take 1 minus 1 on this side, x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Use Euclid's property. Product of left hand side is equal to product of right hand side. So x plus 1 into x minus 5, left hand side into left hand side, is equal to right hand side into right hand side. 0 into 0 will be 0 only. So this gives me expansion. Alright? Yeah. Simple तरीके से हम expand कर लेंगे. X into x, x square minus 5x, then start with this, plus x minus 5 equal to 0. There is one identity for this, but I haven't used that. So x square, yeah, minus 5x plus x is minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. आपको मिल गया equal to 0. So this is your polynomial, i.e. p of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 5. Equal to 0 निकाल दिया, polynomial चाहिए इसलिए. Are you getting me, children? So this is the polynomial. So this is the first answer. Can you have more polynomial? ये तो था ही, वो तो पता ही था कि minus 1 और 5 0 हो, वैसा quadratic polynomial is x square minus 4x minus 5. बट कैन वी हैव मोर? यस, इसी स्टेज से हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. मल्टीप्लाई 7 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So 7 into x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0 into 7. So that is 7x square minus 28x minus 35. ये तो 0 ही बन गया. 0 into 7 is 0 only. So again you got this your second polynomial, i.e. p of x is equal to 7x square minus 28x minus 35. This is the second polynomial, children, whose zeros are minus 1 and 5. If you multiply 3 on both sides, you will get new polynomial. If you multiply 1 upon 2 on both sides, you will get next polynomial. So you keep on getting polynomials. Multiply minus 2 on both sides. Don't multiply 0. Anything other than 0. So you can say, यहाँ हम multiply k करेंगे दोनों side. Will multiply k on both sides. So what you got? K into x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Alright, this is your polynomial, required polynomial. Required polynomial p of x is equal to k into x square minus 4x minus 5. This is your polynomial. Alright, understood? Children, in general, how can we write? वो देखना है. But before that, सर ये पोलिनोमियल का 0 भी -1 और 5 आएगा कैसे? चलिए, फाइंड टू फाइंड 0 polynomial, this is what we have. To find zeros of any polynomial, we have to take p of x equal to 0. यहां p of x क्या है? 7x square minus 28x minus 35. Hey children, यहाँ 7 is common. So 7 common. After taking common x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. 0 gone on 7 gone on other side. X square minus 4x minus 5. 0 upon 7. 0 upon 7 is 0 only. So x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. तो हमारा ओरिजिनल पोलिनोमियल आ गया. So x minus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1. वही 5 और minus 1. Got it? ये पोलिनोमियल का 0 भी वही है, लेकिन ये पोलिनोमियल और ये पोलिनोमियल डिफरेंट है. Yes, are you getting? Polynomials are different. इक्वेशन जब बना देते हैं तब सेम हो जाते हैं. When we make equation they become same because 7 is common here. It divides 0 and becomes 0. Alright? Okay. Now the general form, children. Dekh lo, please. What is this? How to find 0? 0 is given. So let's see the general form. We know x equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. इसका 0 जो भी हो, जनरल फॉर्म में तो हम अल्फा और बीटा लिखेंगे ना. सो व्हाट यू गेट? x minus alpha equal to 0 or x minus beta equal to 0. Therefore, product of left hand side, x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. इसको एक्सपांड करते हैं. x into x, x square. x into beta, beta x with different signs minus. Alpha into x, alpha x with different signs minus. Alpha into beta, alpha beta, same sign plus equal to 0. These are like terms. Therefore, x square minus, what is common? X. So bracket में sign will change because of minus. Yeah, beta plus alpha into beta equal to 0. उसको थोड़ा rearrange करते हैं. Minus. Then I write this sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. I'm writing alpha plus beta instead of beta plus alpha. और x को पीछे लिखते हैं plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Okay, don't forget now multiplying k on both sides. Therefore, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0 into k. That gives me k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Or equal to 0. That means this is your quadratic polynomial. Required polynomial p of x is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where k is not equal to 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta. This is how you can find quadratic polynomial. Children, usko yaad bhi rakhna padega. You will have to remember this nicely, children. 10th standard children, for you they ask you, if 0 of the quadratic polynomial are 5 and minus 1 upon 2, then find the polynomial. तो आपको ये formula use करके find करनी है. Alright, so children, this is the standard form of quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta. चलिए check कर लेते हैं. In the previous sum, alpha was minus 1 and beta was 5, if you remember. The two zeros were minus 1 and 5. Alright, well, polynomial, quadratic polynomial in variable x, having zeros alpha and beta is given by, आपको ये एक statement लिखना है, you will have to write this statement, is given by p of x, the variable is x, that is k into इसका square minus the sum of zeros, जो alpha और beta है उसका total, इसको बोलते हैं sum of zeros, okay, I'll write in other color, into x plus the product of zeros where k is not equal to zeros. So what is the quadratic polynomial? K, that constant, non-zero constant, large bracket, y, then y square t, then t square m, then m square x, then x square, minus sum of zeros. This is sum of zeros, but minus sign, that is very important, minus sum of zeros into x. First term will have degree 2, second term will have degree 1, and then degree 0. There won't be x in the third term. And what is the third term? Product of zeros. Product of zeros. So in short, you may say quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta is given by p of x is equal to k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, where k is not equal to 0. Is that clear to you, children? Alright. Now, children, हमारा अल्फा और बीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ डाल देंगे. So k into x square minus, be careful, alpha is minus 1 and beta is plus 5 into x plus alpha is minus 1 into beta is 5. Alright, that is equal to k into x square minus, yes, different sign, subtract करोगे 4, बड़ा 4 है, so 4 into x plus 1 pi, now this is product, 1 pi is of I, different sign, so minus 5. ठीक है, now open the bracket, k, आपको small bracket open करनी है, x square minus 4x minus 5. क्या मिला क्या आपको? देख लो और आखिर में लिख दो, where k is not equal to 0. So this is the required polynomial, x square minus 4x minus 5 into k. k क्यों लिख रहे हैं? क्योंकि दिखा रहे हैं कि यहाँ infinite polynomials है whose zeros are minus 1 and 5, not just 1. Is that clear to you? Alright, then very soon see you in the next session where zeros will be given and you have to find the polynomial. We'll see more number of examples. Alright, sometimes zeros are given, minus 1 and 5. Sometimes they give you sum of zeros and product. Zeros are not given, sum of zeros and product of zeros. अरे वाह, sum की जगह पे डायरेक्ट लिख दो, product की जगह पे डायरेक्ट लिख दो. Yeah, let's see in the next session those type of sums. Okay, 10th standard, it is very important for you. Fine, by then